Yeah? That one's pretty cool, isn't it, Logan? Look at the wee building site and all.
But the club has a trailer. Yeah. It all slots into the trailer. But where he stores it, as I say, mine's about this size, but it's permanent. You can see lots of nuts.
Look at this.
Oh, a cracker in it.
Yeah. It's also got a good bit of slop in the axles.
Hang on.
Wow, look at this, Logan.
It's a good one, isn't it?
Like a trail, never mind, isn't it?
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, the yellow ones, maybe. Those are pretty good. It's delivering from
What?
Oh, look at that! He's going backwards! And they go... Nice and gentle. Yeah, he's a real little boy. He's gentle. No, he likes So he was born last year. Mama, Nick! Mama! Yeah, she can draw that way. You're gonna take a video from that way.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 14.
I counted 21.
No, 14.
I counted 21. It's 21 wrong.
14.
Weird.
I like the wee army train. It's cool. I'll take a picture of it.
The plane's kill that yellow one.
I'll take a wee picture of the army train.
Thank you. I must actually, I'll give you a text because I am looking. I'm going to show you. Oh, please.
See inside the house. See inside them.
No, that's alright.
Come here, see inside them house.
Oh, the wee houses are brilliant. Some detail, eh? Yeah. It's different. I like that one.
Right, okay.
Ah.
Before you go, because there's farmers that
Yeah.
yeah. We're running late. Oh my god. That's cool, isn't it?
That's some machine there. Where does something like that come in from?
Unfortunately, I can't answer that question. Another reason is because I don't know.
You don't know.
The gentleman's a friend of a couple of members of the club. The boy says, look, bring it down, put it on display. So we thought he was going to be back today, if you know what I mean, for the, you know. But if you keep an eye on our Facebook page.
I've seen this one. I've seen this one on YouTube.
Yeah. If he does work on later on, if you know what I mean, I'll get the video and I'll put it up on the page.
Oh, is that what you are, is it?
The Creek Admiral work right now.
I actually have Hey, look, there's that train crashed. Look, that'll be train coming out again. Here, Logan, look at the wee boat moving. See it? Look over there.
Not there. You moved it back here. Well,
Moved the right joint there.
yeah.
The bridge there, so.
I can't see it.
Logan, look.
It's a bit odd, isn't it?
There we go.
It's pulled down here, you see, it's just a nice length to this. No. Similar to those. I got those off eBay.
Is he?
Not eBay, Amazon. 10 on for £8.98. For 10 on. Very good for those. Now what I had to do, because the wee translucent glass is all the way around, it was throwing a lot of light onto the back scene, so I just had to paint the back of them black for the, trying to disguise that so it just keep the light coming out the front. Thomas is
That one's killing it. Logan, what do you reckon? Is he good at flying?
You're looking, look, you see the big wave? There's a big wave down there. You see it from right, it'll be all like that. Big wave. Very plush.
Oh, yeah.
Be nice in the dark. Take a picture of it.
Alex going to throw one up here. These aircraft are made with mylar film stretched across a carbon fibre frame. Extremely lightweight, folks. And they're extremely lightweight. They're very easy to fly. If you fly slow, they give you time so that you can actually do the likes of these smooth manoeuvres here. And the reason we resist to damage because they're that light. If you hit something within reason, it will just bounce back off again. Definitely if you fly out of the wall at full speed, you will damage it. But a very nice little flyer. This could actually be flown with a wee bit of skill in your living room. I've actually done it myself. Didn't tell the wife that, but I've done it myself. Next up here we've got the Night Vapor. It's a slightly bigger version of the same plane you see flying here, the Night Vapor. But you see it's got lights on it. Same similar construction, carbon fibre rod and covering. These planes again are powered by LEGO batteries, which is not saying recently new technology, but without it we couldn't fly planes this small because the power density you get out of LEGO batteries is very, very high compared to ordinary triple A's, double A's. They're extremely light battery, but they give a very good duration for flying. Next one up here from Ross is going to be a fully aerobatic version of the previous two planes. You can do rolls, loops, everything you do. It's a full 4-channel plane, as we call it. So you've got elevator, you've got runners, and ailerons, and you've also got throttle control. The other two planes just got elevator and rudder. This little green plane here is very, very manoeuvrable. As you see, Ross as you put it through the stages here. Again, this is made primarily of foam, which is even lighter than the carbon fibre, but again, very delicate. If you touch something, if you touch the wall, you do damage, folks. So, you'll notice the shape of the wing, folks, the gull-shaped wings they call it. The reason why that is that shape.
That one's like so loud, isn't it, for the size of it?
So large, and they had to actually pick the wing at that, so it's the next one up is the famous Mustang from the Second World War, which was the first fighter plane to fly over Germany non-stop.
Did your daddy get the name?
Benefited from a laminar front wing, which gave it great aerobatics, not aerobatics, good aerodynamics. And with wind-tip tanks, it was able to escort short gauge airfix kits, the same size as this. And now you can actually fly at E-17 indoors, same size. Again, this is all due to micro-electronics and micro-batteries, called lithium batteries, which enable us to do this. All 4 engines work, it's a fully 4-channel plane.
Tell your daddy's going to have to get a plane. Are you listening? Tell him he's going to have to get a
Can't be flown outdoors on a very calm day, but price-wise, anywhere from about 60 to 80 pounds. That's an excellent little helicopter for, well, for half a decade. Makes this possible.
I don't care. Why do you take 3 seats? Some other people could sit there. Move up. Move up right now. The Star Wars thing.
This is basically a drone, folks, with 4 motors on there. You can't really see the propellers because they're transparent. It's actually a very nice flyable
What's it about?
plane, well, quadcopter outside, and you can fly 3 or 4 of these together as have a combat system built into it.